Assalamu alaikum.
Part 2 of Early Islamic History, from the first believers and secret prayers to the spreading of the message in Makkah. Who was the first person to embrace Islam? C. Khadijah. Which of these companions was known as the truth verifier? B. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. Who was the Prophet's cousin who lived with him since early childhood? B. Ali bin Abi Talib. Which of these converts was the Prophet's freed slave? C. Zayd bin Haritha. Abu Bakr was known for all these qualities except C. Harshness. Which future caliph was not among the very first converts listed? A. Umar bin al-Khattab, who was known as the most trustworthy of the Muslim nation. B. Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah, the house of which companion became a secret meeting place. C. Al-Arqam bin Abi al-Arqam. Bilal bin Rabah, radiyallahu anhu, was originally from A. Abyssinia. Ibn Hisham, a biographer, counted how many early converts? B. More than 40. How did the Prophet primarily conduct the call in the beginning? B. Secret, individual meetings. Initially, how many times a day was prayer, Salat, obligatory? C. 2 times. The 2 initial prayer times were held in the A. Morning and evening. Who taught the Prophet how to perform ablution, Wudu? B. Angel Gabriel. Where did the early Muslims often go to pray in secret? C. A mountain valley. Thank you for watching and testing your knowledge with us today. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more short quiz videos from the sealed Nectar, Ar-Rahiqul Maktoum. See you in the next quiz.